What's going on, guys? It's your boy Boosted Villain, and it is early in the morning, and we back with another one, and we about to go on a fucking drive, bro. Let's fucking go. And I'm here to tell you that you're running out of time, bro. If you don't figure it out right now, it's gonna be too late. Let's get into it. Yeah, let's go. Oh, that sounds good. That sounds so good. That DSG sound never get old, bro. That's why when we have a fucking Lambo, I know this shit gonna sound so good, bro. And yes, this car is not the fastest, but you gotta admit that this shit sounds so fucking good, bro. This shit sounds so good. But anyway, man, let's get into it, man. I'm here to tell you that if you don't make it out right now in the next few years, you're running out of time, bro. You're running out of time. The economy is getting hard. If you don't figure some shit out right now, it's gonna be too late. But the problem is, you don't got no fucking skills. If you don't have no skills, then the only thing you can do is regular 9-to-5 shit. And regular 9-to-5 shit don't pay as much. Right? So you need some fucking skills, bro. You need some skills that AI... Oh, that shit sound good. You need some skill that AI can't fucking just replace you ASAP. Perhaps not now, but, you know, maybe later down the line they're gonna get you. This shit sounds so good, man. But if this video get 50 likes, that's if we get 50 views, right? I'm gonna tune this shit. I'm gonna get it stage 1. I'm gonna get it stage 1, and I'm gonna put it against the Tesla, and then we're gonna fucking look for the Scat Pat boys. BMW up front. Got two of them. Nah, that was a fucking Nissan. I'm trying to get somebody mad. I'm trying to piss somebody off so they can... Oh, yeah, you want to go at it, bro? You want to race? But yeah, man, you have to figure this shit out right now. And the best way to do it, the best way to figure this shit out is to have a group of friends with you, bro. It's to have a group of homies with you, bro. Niggas that's not gonna backstab you. But the problem is, the backstabbers, they everywhere, bro. And you don't know when they're gonna backstab you. So it's kind of like a gamble. You have to roll with your day one. But even they could change on you. But hey, once you put God first, you should be alright. So hopefully you learn throughout all the backstabbing. And then from there, if you can build up with a couple people that you're really tight with, then you go get it. But right now, you're running out of time. Technically, we got the whole fucking highway. Yeah, let's go. that sounds good. That sounds so good. But anyway, man, make sure you follow me on Instagram, boosted_villain. Get to the money, put God first, man. They can't stop us, bro. Your mindset is way stronger than fucking AI, right? But these dumbass niggas, they don't know that shit, right? They don't know that, right? A group of friends, bro. A group of friends, when you link up together as a team, bro, without trying to snake your homie, bro, y'all gonna be unstoppable. See you on the next one.